Make a great choice today with the 2013 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, cruise control, FWD, adjustable lumbar seats, power windows, power door locks, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.